Hey Anna, if I remember correctly, you have helped me with this um, branding style, and also these topics and this post, this brand setup with me. So what we are going to do is I need your help with reviewing reviewing these posts and what I want you to do is add them to drafts so that I will schedule them later. So what there are a couple of options you can do. First of all, you can just move to drafts by clicking this point, delete. If it's irrelevant. For example, sometimes it says I have. For example, as you can see, it says 5 years ago this happened, that happened. Yeah, sometimes it makes up stuff, so that's why we need to delete them. So and what we can do is you can edit the post if there are anything you want to update. For example, it's this is only an image, so we can click this fill caption to add a caption to it. This all of them happens with AI. Then we can add a background color, something like that. And there's also this palette, I believe. Yeah, we can use them as well. I believe I need to choose it or something like that. Yeah, this is a new feature. Anyways, this looks okay. And as you can see, it also edit this text. So let's say, for example, I think this should be a list. What I would do is I would just and then go to here. Okay, then this is how we do it. It says here's a step-by-step guide, and yeah, this is the step-by-step guide. you know um, there are lots of stuff you can do. You can make it, zoom it, and also change the position, color, font size. For example, we can make it a little larger maybe. So yeah, this is how it works in general. And then let's say I think it's all ready for posting. What I want you to do is add them to draft. Adding to draft means that you reviewed it and made it ready for sharing. For example, it looks like this doesn't look right. Maybe it will probably be okay when posting. And I will do the scheduling when you add them to drafts, because I want to make sure that I have a final take a look at them. Then I will click schedule. And in that, for example, let's take a look at this one. It says, yeah, I think yeah, this is not very relevant. So what I would do is I just move it to trash. For example, let's check this one. Okay, for example, yeah, this looks good. We don't want to always add any link or add promote something. Yeah, we also want to have this kind of posts. So for example, this looks good. So what I'm going to do is I will just edit to draft. So yeah, this is how you are going to do it. And also there are lots of different kinds of templates. For example, this one has multiple images. It will be a carousel on LinkedIn, or multiple images on a single Instagram post. So it will be shared through my LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. So for example, yeah, this looks, so this could be all right, but maybe we need to change the palette to, for example, this is more in alignment with our brand colors. For example, this one. And also sometimes it adds very um, very how can I say, very little. This is very hard to read. So what you can do is select them both by shift and make them larger. So yeah, this is better. This is easier to read. So, and also I can remove this https, make it underline. you know I can do those kind of things to make it easier to read and easier to take an action on. Okay, yeah, it made underline all of them. Anyways, so I can do something like that, and then click fill caption for AI to make it. So what I would do is I would first go over all the content, then click fill caption, so the caption will be relevant to the images. Okay, it's saving. What I can also do is let me go to our yeah, I think we need to add a palette like this. So on Canva we had this brand. Let's do it while looking at it. I'm not sure if you have access to it. I have this BizTech brand kit. Oops, where did I go? Okay, let's go to BizTech brand kit. Why this doesn't go away? Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can share it, but yeah, let me do that. I will add these colors as color palettes. I'm skipping it right now. Okay, I added our colors, so the new post will be in that way probably. I also selected all themes, so some of the themes might be irrelevant. If that happens, what you can do is you can just delete that post. So for example, let's get back to our posts, AI generated posts. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, the colors changed automatically. They are currently relevant to the brand. For example, this kind of memes have good engagement. So yeah, let's make sure to keep them. So let's see what kind of a caption it will add. And I think we can always use this kind of captions. So for example, it's as it seems, these bold ones doesn't seem properly. Yeah, it has written it in markdown format. So yeah, if that kind of a thing happens, yeah, you can just edit it, or make it more emojis, add hashtags, more self-promotional. There are lots of options for AI. Also, you can write custom instructions if you feel like it can be different in a better way. So for example, yeah, I did something like this, and then I can just save and close and add to draft. And yeah, you can go in this way. There are, as you can see, there are lots of different templates, and yeah, they are mostly engaging. And whenever these AI generated posts are done, you can just click generate more posts, and it will load these new posts. So what I want to have is, I have a schedule of, if I remember correctly, 3 posts per day. Let me check. Yes, as you can see. So I need your help with getting 21, at least 21 drafts added. Actually, you might add 25, so that I can maybe discard some of them or just schedule them to have a buffer. So yeah, let's target having adding 25 new drafts each week. You can add it, in a single day or throughout the days. But yeah, let's make sure that there are always at least 5 drafts so that I can schedule them for the next day. And also let's also make sure that you schedule 25 drafts. Add 25 drafts in a week. So yeah, I'm pretty excited with this because I'm seeing these posts having a good engagement, and I haven't had time to go over them. So yeah, with your help, I think we can have a steady schedule. So yeah, thank you very much.